Hello friends, my name is Girish Radhwa. I am doing Ph.D. from NIT. Welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to download latest version of Silvaco TK Tool 2018. All of you need to simply follow the instruction I will provide. For correct installation, you have to download Silvaco software file from the link I have provided given below. It contains three files you are seeing on the screen: setup file, rpc.sflm served file, and the license file. The minimum requirement to download the latest version of Silvaco is it must be 64-bit processor, and second is minimum 4 GB RAM. So let's start. Double click on this setup file. Double click on this setup file to run and install and wait for the processing. You have to click on the install license file, install license server if you are installing this software first time in your PC and laptop, and wait for a minute. After this step, a default web page browser will be open on your default browser. A default window is open in which you have to set SFLM administrative password. This window will open. You have to enter a password for SFLM administrative password. I have entered Silvaco, Silvaco as a password. You can set any password. After that, a message will appear. Congratulations, SFLM installation is successful. The next step, you have to open the task manager. And search the rpc.sflm file. Task manager is opening. Simply you have to search rpc.sflm file and right click in it into to stop or end task this file. Close the task manager and after that copy the rpc.sflm file from the downloaded link given below. Copy this rpc.sflm file. You have to replace this file into the installation directory. In my laptop, Windows C is installation directory. Open the lib file, open the SATA tool library, rpc.slm 8.22r x866969nt, and replace the rpc fslm file in the destination. Right click on the file and run as an administrator. It is most important. Close this folder. Next, right click on the Silvaco license file and open it into the WordPad. Next step is open the shortcut given below. You have to simply copy this machine ID. This one is the machine ID, and replace it into the license file. and replace it into the LM host ID in the license file. And the most important, you have to check the end date of the software. The end date not be the past date, it must be the future date. Please check it. After replacing the LM host ID with your ID, close this license file and saved it. After that, open the SFLM admin from the default browser and put the password. You have already set. Now click on the install new license, and after that click on the install saved file. Browse the license file you have already saved in the WordPad. Select this and click on the done. SFLM has installed the specified license file. Click on the done. You have successfully cracked the Silvaco new version. For check and go to the shortcut and click on the deck build. Click on the deck build and wait for the processing time. Now it will be start. There are the following option are the help, command, tool. For the example, you have to click on the file and click on the example. There are lots of example is present there. You can search here. Click any of the example. Run this example. After executing all the codes, you will get the number of windows. One window for the figure, that is the log file, and one window for the structure file. Tony plot is used to show the structure file. We are simply running any example that is present in the Silvaco tool. Click on the allow access always. There are a number of windows open. One is for the structure file. This is the structure file. And one is for the log file. Close it. Now you fully crack the new version of the Silvaco. For more information, you can put your comment below. Thanks for watching. Please tune for more videos. Thanks a lot.